Hey people, welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavita. In today's video I'll show you how to make almond jaggery powder. This can be a great topping for baby food like porridge, puree, for toddlers if you're making salads, smoothies, health drinks, or many things. Even in pancakes you can mix this and make. And you know the benefits of almonds. It is brain boosting, it is rich in protein, iron, and dry fruits by default are so rich in healthy nutrients. They are energy boosters, and that's why it is good to include them in kids' diet. Most of the parents I see that have a habit of including jaggery to sweeten up the porridge. Now, if you make this mixture of almond and jaggery and keep it ready, you can add it to any of their foods and increase the nutrition value of the food quickly. So let's dive right in and see how to make this almond and jaggery powder.
Let's first see the list of ingredients required to make this almond and jaggery powder. I'm taking a vessel and adding sufficient water. Here we'll bring this water to a boil and we are going to blanch almonds now. You'll just have to boil it for a minute or two until the skin is easy to remove. The skin would pop out like this, and then you are done. Please immediately switch off the flame and do not continue boiling it. And now, as you see, it's easy to remove the skin like this. Okay, and you do not have to leave almonds in water for a longer time. As soon as it's done, please pass it on through a sieve, take out the excess water. It's good if you could put it on a thicker towel and rub off the excess water, or immediately de-skin it. Remove the skin, peel off the skin like this. Otherwise water will get into it and it will not be good to make a fine powder. So these are our de-skinned almonds. The skin is really helpful. Please sun dry it and store it. In the next video sometimes I'll show you how to make a great face powder or body powder, bath powder sort of a thing for it. Now in a pan I'm adding these almonds. We'll just roast it for a minute to remove the excess water, or sun drying is the best option. I am adding 2 cardamom here. As you see, I am just heating it. You do not have to roast it until it changes the color and all. And then transfer it to a plate and allow it to cool down. Then I am adding it to a mixer jar. Few Kesar Strands I am adding, as it is really healthy, and post 8 months you can give it. This is palm sugar from Tots and Moms store. You can even use coconut sugar or any organic jaggery which is healthy. Sugar is not recommended well for babies, and even for us it is not great or ideal, so I am using jaggery here. And yes, you know the side effects of using healthy option palm sugar or jaggery, that it turns brown and it wouldn't be as powdery as you would have used sugar, but still it is the healthiest option, and this is what we want for babies. And here it is ready, our almond and jaggery powder.
I really hope that you like this recipe. On our blog there are plenty of such healthy, yummy options for your babies. I will recommend few natural sweeteners. Dry dates powder. This can be made at home, yes, and very simple. And I will also tell you that how to store it and other details. You can shop it at our store, Tots and Moms Foods. Now the link is there in the description for it. You can try making date syrup at home. You don't have to buy store-bought bottles. It is easy to make it at home. Do check that recipe. Dry fruit sauce, an amazing recipe. You can again quickly make it at home. It doesn't take too much of time. Make it and store it for a while and use it. And almond and dates choco spread. Instead of jam, sometimes you can use it. Kids would love it. It is really delicious. One day bread, butter and almond date choco spread, one of my favorite recipe I tried, and it was yum. So do check them and leave a comment below on how you are liking our recipe share. And this is not just some recipe channel, something where we experiment with healthy options without using maida or baking agents or ensuring that everything healthy is given here. So we put in a lot of efforts in researching recipes, and your motivation, you liking and commenting this video would matter a lot to us. Do consider subscribing to our channel, and I'll see you soon in yet another video. Bye bye.